Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Golden Girls is probably one of the most beloved sitcoms of all time, and for good reason. This show about four hilarious, independent women sharing a house in Miami has captured the hearts of audiences for decades. With its witty writing, memorable characters, and heartwarming stories, The Golden Girls continues to resonate with viewers of all ages. So, if you're looking for a show that will make you laugh, cry, and everything in between, then look no further. Number 5. USAopoly Golden Girls Trivial Pursuit. Get ready to journey back to Miami with this trivia game. It's packed with questions from all 7 seasons of the iconic show. This game is perfect for any fan. Test your knowledge across 6 categories. They include the ladies, family matters, who said it, men of the night, locations, and words of wisdom. You'll need to know it all to win. The game comes in a special casing. It looks just like a slice of cheesecake, the Golden Girls' favorite treat. It's a fun and thematic way to store the game. Inside, you'll find everything you need to play. It includes a wedge holder, 100 question cards, a die, and a rules card. Gather your friends and get ready to play. This game is designed for 2 or more players, ages 12 and up. A single game typically lasts between 15 to 30 minutes. It's a great way to spend an evening with friends. What we like. This game features 600 questions spanning all 7 seasons, ensuring hours of fun. The questions cover 6 delightful categories, testing your knowledge of the iconic show. If you're looking for a fun game night with friends and family, this trivia game is perfect for you. What people say. My husband, mother-in-law, and myself watch Golden Girl reruns every night and often quote different things said from the show. Before we saw this, we would argue as to who had more knowledge of the show. This was a lot of fun and had really great questions. This game comes with just the cards and dice, no board, but you can use this with a Trivial Pursuit board. It's a fun trivia game. Package arrived on time. We haven't played it yet, but I've read through some of the questions and they are challenging. What a great way to relive the show. Number 4. Golden Girls Be Strong Metal Sign 8 by 12 inch. This metal sign celebrates the timeless spirit of the Golden Girls. It's a perfect addition to any space, reminding everyone to embrace strength and courage. The sign features the empowering message from the beloved show. It's a daily dose of inspiration, encouraging you to live life to the fullest. Whether it's your parlor, cafe, or garage, this sign adds a touch of nostalgia. Its durable design ensures it will be a cherished piece for years to come. The size is perfect for easy display. It's a great way to show off your love for the Golden Girls and their enduring legacy. This sign is more than just decor, it's a statement. It's a reminder to stay true to yourself and embrace the golden years of life. What we like. This metal sign is a perfect decor for your space. It's a great way to show off your love for the show. If you are a fan of the show and want to add some personality to your space, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a nice keepsake now that all the Golden Girls have departed for the Golden Gates. It is good quality. Number 3. The Golden Girls Cookbook, 90+ Recipes, ABC. This cookbook brings back the laughter and warmth of the iconic show. It's filled with over 90 recipes, perfect for any fan who wants to cook like their favorite Golden Girl. Discover recipes inspired by Blanche Devereaux's Southern roots. The cookbook offers a taste of the South, with dishes that are both comforting and delicious. Explore the quirky and lovable dishes inspired by Rose Nyland. You'll find recipes that are as heartwarming and unique as Rose herself. Enjoy the sophisticated and flavorful recipes inspired by Dorothy Zbornak. This cookbook offers a touch of elegance and wit to your cooking. Learn the secrets of Sicilian cooking with recipes inspired by Sofia Petrillo. It's a culinary journey filled with bold flavors and family traditions. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a celebration of friendship and good food. It's a perfect gift for any fan of the show. What we like. This cookbook offers over 90 delectable recipes inspired by the show. It's a fun way to bring the spirit of the Golden Girls into your kitchen. If you like cooking and enjoy the show, you should consider this cookbook. What people say. The Golden Girls Cookbook features a lot of really good, easy-to-follow recipes. The book is sturdy, well organized, and attractive. It came in and has so many good recipes from things mentioned in the show. Number 2. The Golden Girls, Forever Golden. Dive into the real autobiographies of Dorothy, Rose, Sophia, and Blanche. This book reveals the intimate lives and hilarious anecdotes of the iconic Golden Girls. You'll laugh and reminisce with them. Explore the wit and wisdom of Dorothy. The book offers a unique insight into her sharp tongue and her hidden vulnerabilities. It's a must-read for fans of the show. Follow Rose's journey through life, filled with her innocent charm and unexpected wisdom. This book shares her most memorable moments. You'll be touched by her stories. Uncover Sophia's sassy and unforgettable one-liners. The book tells her life story with humor and heart. It's a celebration of her spirit. Experience Blanche's southern charm and her quest for love. This book presents her most memorable moments. It's a delightful read for all fans. Relive the magic of the Golden Girls with this special book. It's a timeless treasure for fans of all ages. Get your copy today. What we like. This book offers a unique perspective through the real autobiographies of the characters. It's a deep dive into the lives of Dorothy, Rose, Sophia, and Blanche. If you are looking for a deeper understanding of the characters, you should consider this book. What people say. Pass the time with these little Golden Girls books. So many funny quotes and stories from the series. The library of the shows is great. They never get old watching them, over and over again. Very funny autobiographies told by the girls themselves, the characters not the actual actresses. Well packaged with lots of pics. A little smaller than I expected. Number 1. The Golden Girls, complete seasons 1 to 7 DVD. Get ready to laugh with the Golden Girls. This complete series DVD set brings you all the hilarious moments from seasons 1 through 7. It's a must-have for any fan. Enjoy every episode of this classic sitcom. This collection includes all 7 seasons, so you can watch your favorite episodes anytime. It's perfect for a binge-watching session. This DVD set is the ultimate way to experience the show. It features all the iconic characters and unforgettable storylines. You won't want to miss out on this collection. Bring home the magic of the Golden Girls. This DVD set is a treasure trove of comedy and heartwarming moments. It's a timeless classic that you can enjoy for years to come. Join Dorothy, Rose, Blanche, and Sophia for endless fun. This complete series is packed with witty banter and hilarious situations. It's a perfect addition to your DVD collection. What we like. This DVD set includes the complete series, allowing you to enjoy all 7 seasons. It's a great way to own the entire collection and watch it anytime. If you are a die-hard fan, this is a must-have for your collection. What people say. Watched every episode. Don't get me wrong, the picture is not HD, but every DVD was new, in the right language, and they worked. I wanted to see the series from beginning to end on my timetable. The DVDs were packaged very well. I could tell they were packaged with care. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.